Hello, very good morning to all of you. Welcome back. And you are watching English by Joseph Ma'am. So, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, all of you, and you're doing well. And today, again, I've come with part 2 mispronounced words. Words that we use in a day to day life, but in a wrong way. In a wrong way. So, here again, I've come with the part 2, and here we will learn to speak the correct words so that we may not get stuck into any, like you say, anybody hears us speaking the incorrect word, so they will check you. So here I am here to correct you all. So without wasting any time, let us begin. But before I begin, please do like, subscribe and share my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, the red button, so that you may be getting the upcoming notifications. And those who are new to my channel, I welcome all of you with a hearty welcome. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us begin. The first word is that we, after having a bath, what do we use? When we have a bath and when we want to dry up ourselves, what do we use? Yes, we use the towel. Most of you all, you say that word towel. It's not towel, my dear friends, it's towel. Here, the O word is silent. Here, the O word is silent. So, you will say this as towel. So, my dear friends, you please repeat after me so that you may not say the wrong word. Okay? So, the word is towel. Towel. I hope I am getting you clear. Okay. So, the next one is when we have a bath, we use to clean our face. What is that? We have a bath. We clean our body with that. So what is it, my dear friends? It is soap. It's not soap. It is soap. Please give me a soap to have a bath. It is soap. The word is soap. It's not soap. It's soap. I hope I am getting clear and you are clear with it. And if you are not able to say the word, then again you can pause my video and repeat that word again. Hear it and then repeat it. Next is, we do early in the morning, we use it to brush our teeth. What do you use with that? That is brush. Brush our teeth. So the word is brush. It's not brush, it's brush. The word is brush. Just listen very carefully, my dear friend. It is brush. Next is, after having a bath and brushing our teeth, what do? We sit for what? Lunch, dinner or breakfast? We sit for, in the morning we have a breakfast. Yes. And my dear friend, it is not breakfast. It is not, you will not read this as fast. Here the A word is silent. The A is silent, and you will say this word as breakfast. Breakfast. FST. You eat up the A. आप A को खा जाइए. Eat the A word up, and you just say this 3 word FST. Breakfast. Breakfast. Okay. Next is often. It's not TEN. It's often. Often. The T will be removed. Often. Mean every often you keep doing mistakes. Often means बार-बार चीजों को मतलब लगातार करना. Often. Says. The word is says. Next is, where do we go to read books? If you want good knowledge, you go to the, where you go? To the library. Most of us say library. Is library. ARY. Here the R is out. It is library. The word is library, not library. It's library. Okay. Next is fix. Now you're not, here it is D over here. It is D. You will not say this full like as D. Fixed. You will not say fixed. It will say fixed. Fixed. This word is coming through your throat. Fixed. The T word is coming from your T. So you will say this word as fixed. not the. The you will remove. You will remove the the word out. The you will cut out. Next is crossed. I crossed the road. Now you will not say this word as crossed. The. You will not use that word the. Here the T sound is coming. Crossed. Crossed. बोल के देखिए. Repeat after me. Crossed. So again here the D word is eaten up. I hope I am clear to you and you are understanding me. If not, please comment me. At least comment and let me know that I'm teaching right to you all. And if there is any mistake, please do let me know. Okay. Next is inquiry. We say inquiries come. There's some inquiry about a house or some about a person, or the police is inquiring about someone. So you will not say inquire. You say inquiry. Inquire. Inquire. E word. Inquire. Inquire. Not inquiry. Inquire. Inquire. So, my dear friends, these words are every day we use. Even not only, there are many of us, even including me, we sometimes in a very hurry, or in a very, like I can say yes, in a hurry, we use these words sometimes in a very wrong way. And that is what I am here to correct you, and I am to correct myself too. So you have to know these words when you are speaking these words. Keep this in mind. Okay, now moving on to the next. Now before I move to the next, you have to stay tuned. Don't skip the video, and if you skip, you will not be able to get the words, you will not be able to understand. So for the whole video, you have to stay tuned to it. Keep on watching me. Don't move away. Okay, now we come to the next part. Now next is, here is CHASED. Now when you say the D word is here, then why can't I say chased? Why can't I say chased? It will not be chased, it will be chased. That again the T word is sounding here. Chased. Chased. Repeat after me. Chased. The word is chased. Now, the dog chased the cat. You say the dog chased the cat. मतलब दौड़ाया. Chased the cat. So here it is something very dangerous. A dangerous situation. You can say a dangerous animal, a dangerous person. So you say that dangerous is dangerous. DANGEOUS. Dangerous. US. The last word is US. Dangerous. Next we come to, again your D word is here. Revised. You will not say revised. Revised. The word is not coming here. Revised. Revised. Next, asked. Again the D word is here. Asked. You will not say asked. 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 The word is asked. Crashed. Crashed. Something that the car crashed into the tree, you will say. Crash मतलब किसी पे जाके टकराना. So crashed. The word is crashed. 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 Not it crashed. CRSHED. Crashed. Now your intelligence. You will not read the word like this. You will not read it like this. Intelligence. It is intelligence. Intelligence. Here the E is cut out. Means you have eaten the E up. आप E को खा गए हो. And then you will say INTLLIGENC. You remove the E up. You remove the E and you add these words LLIGENCE in INT. It will become intelligence. Intelligence. Now next word, arrived. The guest arrived at the time. Arrived. The is not the. Arrived. Arrived. Next is if your word is here, memory. I hope all of you will say this word only O, because you why? Because O is over here. So why can't I'm saying this word memory. Why can't I not say it memory? No. Why? Because your O is here. And again, as we have read about the vowels, O is silent. A, E, I, O, U. These are silent. These are vowels. These are silent words. So memory. You will say. You will not say memory. You will say memory. O is eaten up. Memory. Then here is separate. Separate means alag hona. The bogie got separated from the train, from the engine. So here it is. You will say S-E-R-A-T. Separate. Separate. It's not separate. Separate. Oh, chocolate. Everyone likes to eat chocolate. You say chocolate. It's not chocolate. It's chocolate. Chocolate. So chalk, C-H-O. Here C-O is again silent, and L-A-T-E. You add C-H-O. Chalk and L-A-T-E. Chocolate. It's not chocolate. It's chocolate. Chocolate. I hope you are repeating after me, because the more you repeat, the more you listen, the more you repeat, and you'll be able to speak that word in a correct way. Okay, next we go to necessary. Necessary means zaruratein. In a day-to-day life, we need the most important things. Air to breathe in is the most important necessary thing in our life. Everything that we need, anything, it is very necessary. The jarurat cheezein. So how will you say this word? How will you pronounce it? It's necessary. Necessary. You will not say S-A-R-R-Y. No. You will say this word as necessary. Necessary. R. Necessary. Now next is athlete. Those who run for the cross for the race, the runners up, they are called athlete. You will not say athlete. You will say athlete. Athlete. L-E-L-E-E-T. Athlete. It is L-E-E-T. Athlete. Arrived. Arrived. It's not okay. Again, I have written here. You will say. This word again, I have repeated the word over here. Next is money. You will not say money. It's not O. Again, here the O word is silence. O word is silence. You will say money. The word is money. You will say money, because here M-N-E-Y. You will remove the O from there. You will say it as money. Next word. When you work and you get the salary, आपको first salary मिलती है, so what will say this? You pronounce the word as, you not say salary, it's salary, salary. You'll remove the A from you again. A is gone. Remove. S-L-A-R-Y, salary, salary. Next, the word is allow, allow. The O word is gone. Silent. Allow. Next is low, low. It's not L-O-W, low, low, low. Now next word we come to when you do things wrong, galat, wrong, wrong. You'll say the O-N-G, wrong, not around, it's wrong. And the last word is, we use to clean, especially cleansers we use to clean our face, and that we use to clean our face, so that you'll say that as cleanser. It's not cleanser. It's not cleanser. It's cleanser. Cleanser. S-E-R. K. It starts from K. Cleanser. Okay. So I hope I made myself clear to you. And here the word is like arriving. A-R-R-I-V-I-N-G. Arrive. Arriving. Arriving. So I hope I made myself very clear to you all, and if there is anything that I have mispronounced myself wrong, please do comment and let me know in the inbox. I need your support and your comments so that I know that I am teaching well to you all and you are able to understand me better. So till then, goodbye, God bless.